Get ready to satisfy your pancake cravings with the ultimate recipe for mouth-watering pancakes. Start by combining all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together milk, melted butter, and a large egg until well combined. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Make sure not to overmix the batter, leaving it slightly lumpy for fluffy pancakes. Next, preheat a non-stick frying pan or griddle over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to portion out the batter onto the pan, spreading it slightly. Cook the pancake until bubbles form on the surface, then flip it over using a spatula. Continue cooking until both sides are golden brown and the pancake is cooked through. Transfer the finished pancake to a warm plate and repeat with the remaining batter. Serve your mouth-watering pancakes with your favorite toppings like fresh fruits, syrup, or whipped cream. Get creative by adding chocolate chips, blueberries, or nuts to the batter for extra flavor and texture. Don't forget to dust the pancakes with a sprinkle of powdered sugar for the perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your homemade pancakes with a hot cup of coffee or a glass of orange juice for a delightful breakfast. Impress your family and friends with this foolproof recipe that guarantees perfectly fluffy and delicious pancakes. Experiment with different pancake sizes and shapes, like mini silver dollar pancakes or thick and fluffy ones. Remember to adjust the heat if needed to prevent burning or undercooking the pancakes. Store any leftover pancake batter in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For a quick and easy weekday breakfast, make the batter the night before and refrigerate overnight. The key to perfect pancakes is the right balance of ingredients and cooking them with love and patience. Invite your loved ones over for a pancake breakfast party and let them customize their own pancakes. Try serving your mouth-watering pancakes with savory toppings like crispy bacon or scrambled eggs. You can also make a batch of pancakes and freeze them for a convenient breakfast option. Warm them up in the toaster or oven for a quick and satisfying meal on busy mornings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. Keep honing your pancake making skills, and soon you'll become a pancake pro. Indulge in the fluffy goodness of these mouth-watering pancakes and start your day off right. So what are you waiting for? Grab your apron and get ready to flip some amazing pancakes.